Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market analysis. Today, we will see how the Bank Nifty and Nifty can move. As I have shown you, those are my inner circle. I daily send you to this level. But today, I am sending you this level, and as well as I will tell you how you can make your levels on daily basis. Okay, so watch this video and try to do your analysis also. Okay, so for this we have to go to the investing.com or whatever your site is. Okay, the first thing we have to analyze the intraday trading, right? So for intraday there are so many people are using like Bollinger Band indicators and everything. Okay, but I'm not using here anything, right? We just have to use the support and resistance level. Those can work in any type of market, right? This is especially for index, because every stocks, every index has a particular values, particular movement in that. So whatever the formula is in this which I have observed, I'm just going to tell you that. Okay, so for this, if you are in my inner circle, so you know how I'm doing. Okay, but you, if you don't know, just watch it and do it yourself and do back testing also. Okay, don't believe on my levels, don't believe, just observe and see the past results also. Okay, just do it your own. Okay, so for this, we have to get 1 hour candle. Okay, this is the 1 hour candle. This is the yesterday chart, right? This is the yesterday chart. And if we see this, the last candle, if you can see here, the last candle open is here, right? This is the open and this is the close. Okay, this is the close you can see here. If the open and close, you see the difference is like this is 884 and this is 929, right? 21 929, 21 884. So this difference is almost like 50 points, below 50 points. Okay, so if the difference is below 50 points, so in the earlier videos I told you that take a last star candle and mark the open and high. Okay, but if this condition is not matching, then you can take a last but one candle of the previous day and mark like this. Okay, so this is the high of that candle, you have marked it, and this is the low of the candle. Okay, so this is the first step where you get the two values like 22,036 and 21,806, right? So this is the values. You can see the market is in range bound. Looks yesterday it was a range bound. So how you can use this level, I'm going to tell you that also, because that is a very important. If you are using this level for only the future trading, that can't be work. But if you are using, because I am analyzing on the market and I'm not trading in future. Okay, sometimes I'm trading in future, but every time I'm not trading in future. I trade in options hedging strategies only. That's I made for intraday and for intraday trader. Okay, so this is for the analysis purpose. But if somebody is interested to do in this, then you have to do more analysis in this and you have to be more accurate on this, right? So when you do this, just you get the two levels, right? So this is the red line, that is 21,808. That's the selling level. If the market is goes below this level, then you will sell it, right? If your market is going below this level, you will sell it. Okay, make it red so you can better understand. You will sell it, right? If the market is trying to cross this level, you will sell it. And if the market is going trying to up or trying to break this level, then you will buy it. This is the simple formula, right? But There are also two formulas in this, right? So whenever you will practice, you will get to know, because there is also a certain categories, like if the market is open and cross that level instantly, then what to do? If the market is going down and that level is broken, then what to do? Okay, so that will all comes in your study. You have to study hard for earning money, right? It is not simple to everyone that get call from someone and applied it, and if make a profit then thanks him, if make a loss then abuse him, right? So don't do that. Be independent trader and trade on yourself only, on your level, on your study only. Okay, you can get the mentorship of anyone, but you have to trade on yourself, right? So this is the sale, this is the level for the intraday, right? And what will be the target? So for the target, as this is the daily level, so market is trying to catch the daily levels, right? So for target, we need to do a daily level, that is 1 day. If you select here a 1 day, right? If you don't see it, I just mark here, you can see. If you see here is a 1 day, right? If you click here, the 1 day candle will be formed, and you just have to analyze the trend and analyze the daily candle. What's the daily movement, right? What's the daily movement? You can see here, this is the day high, this is the previous high of the daily candles, right? So this will be your target. This will be your target, the first target. You can see the first target also. There are so many targets, because if this level breaks, then you can go to this levels also. Okay, but again you can do one thing, you can match the previous highs, right? So if you see here, then you will get exact two values, exact two values. One is here and second one is here, right? A third also, fourth also, right? So there are so many resistance over there. So you can mark that level as your intraday target, right? So you get the intraday target, right, for buying level. Now you have to mark for a selling level. So it's a very simple, that we have to place a support level, support line. This is the support line, right? But though don't mark the huge and far away support, that cannot be worked. Okay, so this can be a support, right? So at this level, you will get a clear idea of what you are doing, right? You will get a clear cut sell where you have to sell, right? You may be fail, I may be fail, right? But if you have a correct level to sell, then you will not run away to the market, right? You will not go and just seeing that price is going up and you will buy it. You will not do that, right? So this is the main intention, that we should have our levels should be ready, and then we can trade in the market, right? So now we have a levels of buying, we have a level for selling, we have a level for target and all. And this strategy which I have told you right now, this works only on index. Don't try to do this in stocks, because every stocks, every the instrument, the script which is trading in market, that has a unique movements. Okay, so you cannot judge all the things in simple one formula, right? Because you can see that there are so many softwares in the market, and each softwares have a unique value, and that software are working on a particular script, right? So that's the motto. And if you like the today's level, just hit the like button if you are watching it on YouTube, okay, and share with your friends. I try to say, I try to give you the best levels on an intraday basis, right? But if you don't get my WhatsApp message, or you don't get anything, just you can join my inner circle to get updated in live market also. Okay, so bye bye. Thanks a lot and happy trading to all of you. Bye bye.